Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. I welcome you to my new amazing project, and in this project we are going to build a front-end developer portfolio. This is my personal portfolio that I am going to share with you guys free of cost. So today I have completed my 1000 subscribers, so thanks for the support. So keep subscribing and like my videos and share with your friends, and don't forget to follow on me on the GitHub, and I have also on the Instagram and LinkedIn, Twitter, everywhere. So follow us and we will share this project with you guys. So I will show you this how this project will work and how I have built this. So first of all, let's see our project. So first of all, when you go to our project, it will show a beautiful home page, and in this home page you will see this sidebar. This is a sidebar portfolio, right? And here we have a beautiful image. You can keep your image here, then your name, then you are a front-end developer, so you can keep as a front-end developer. Then here you can see the home icon. So when you click on home, it is on the home icon, and here you can see your name and your description about yourself and view my work button. When I click on view my work button, it goes to the project page, right? So this is my work. So come to our home page, and here you can see that image also in the right side. Now come to about page. In about page you can mention about yourself in very descriptive manner. So in this beautiful box I have mentioned my details, right? And here in the two small boxes I have mentioned my education, then here I have mentioned my experience. Then come to skill section. In skill section we have a this beautiful header, and then you have a front end. What are the front end technology I knew? Right, React.js, TypeScript, Next.js, and Tailwind CSS. Then I know this other tools also, like Git, Redux Toolkit, VS Code, Justin, right? Now come to the project section. In project you can see that how beautiful we have pasted our snapshot of our project, then a name of our project, then we have a beautiful description of the project, what this project does, and what are the tech stack we have used, like React, TypeScript, Mark, React Split, Tailwind, CSS. And you can see the live demo. And when I click on live demo, it will show the live demo of my project. So and now you can go to the GitHub, so it will show the GitHub code of this source code project, and this also you can see it's working fully fine, right? This is the two projects, my personal projects, that I'm going to share with you guys. So this you can use. So I will also explain how these projects I have built, right? So I'll show you in upcoming videos. So I'll show you how I made this both of the project, and as of now you can also get the live demo and the source code of these projects, right? And now come to the contact section. In contact section we have mentioned email and location, and here is the form. This is not a normal form, it's a fully functional working form. So let's see it's working or not. So first of all, to check this we will go to our browser. I will log in with my email, like I have login with my email, right? You can see that this email we don't have any message, right? Let's message, and let's see the message is coming to our email or not. I will show you how you can make a fully functional working email. Like, let's say I want to message, like you guys want to message to me that, hi, my name is this, like Sandeep Kumar, right? And your email, like Becodewala, anything, any your email you can paste it here, right? You can, and you can send any message to me, right? If anyone to connect to you, so you can connect to this email, right? you can anyone can send message and you will get the email, and you get hired also for your work, right? Here you can write, hi, I want to hire you, please reply, right? So if a HR want to hire you, you can message, HR can message their email, name and a message. When you click on send message, after some second it will say your message has been sent successfully. So let's see. So you can see that a new message from Sandeep Kumar, right? A new message from Sandeep. You can see that, and in message you can, hi, I want to hire you, please reply. So this is the extra thing I have added to make this best portfolio. So hope you guys like this project. And here you can see in the down below I mentioned my GitHub, LinkedIn and Twitter. Go to the GitHub, so it will show my GitHub profile. Go to my LinkedIn, go and follow my social media. So I am not logged in, so without logged in you can't see my profile, right? You have a account, right? So I am open in a different browser, that's why I'm not showing my LinkedIn profile. And here also you can go and see my GitHub profile also. See, it's asking for login, so then you can see my profile. So I have mentioned my profile also, right? So this is the project I have built, and not only this, this is fully responsive. I will show you. It is fully functional responsive. You can see that a beautiful menu icon, and you can see that it's fully responsive. You go to the home page, you go to the about page, skill page, project page, any page you go, it's working totally fine. And you can message here to me, and I will see your messages. So I have also deployed this project on the GitHub. No, and through GitHub I have linked through the version like frontend vikas dot version dot app. When you go to this link, sorry I have pasted the wrong link I think. So vikas frontend. So see, my portfolio is live on the this Vercel, right? Vercel is a platform here you can deploy your project. So I have I have sent my code to the GitHub. I have pushed my code on the GitHub. Then GitHub is connected to the Vercel, and Vercel automatically updated my changes, whatever changes I will do in future. So I have connected my GitHub, and GitHub, through GitHub I have deployed my project on the Vercel, and anyone can access through this link, because frontend.vercel.app. So you can go and see my profile also. So you can see that the same project I have deployed, and it's working fully functioning. So here you can see our project is totally responsive also. So this is the project I am going to show you how I have built this. So this is the demo of my project. So come to our VS Code. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. So first come to our this package.json. This is the main thing. What are the things I have used? Like I have used email.js browser. So whenever someone is sending, I got the email, right? Anyone want to send message to me. So we are going to see how to use email.js. So email.js is a platform which make very easier to send the request like message from the client side to your email. So you can see that recommended www.emailJS.com, right? Then AOS is a animation library. So you can see that the animation, right? When you go, so how it is animating, right? Every elements. So to animate this, we are going to use AOS, animation on scroll. Then we have a Lucid React. Lucid React is a library for the icons. Like you can go and get many icons, whatever the icon you want. In the project we have home, about, skills, and we have used icons, right? So for this we have used lucid react, then react and react dom, right? This is the basic need for our application to build a single page application. And here is a react router dom. So whenever we are clicking on this home, about, it going to that route. You can see that in the URL you can see the localhost slash skills, right? So this is the process using react router dom. This process is using react router dom. So I'm not using like simple HTML, like hashtag. You can give a ID and ID is given to the nav items and you are clicking and it is going. So not like that. You can see that no hashtag in the beginning of skills. So I'm not going use ID and all to go to the respective path. I'm going to use react router dom. And to build our React app, what I have used, like Vite. Vite is a tool to build your React app, Next.js app very easily and with a less bundle code. So here we are also using TypeScript. Like if you know JavaScript, TypeScript is very easy to understand. So and here we are going to use Tailwind CSS. So you can see that the Tailwind CSS to make the look of our project beautiful. So how to install, how to make our project? So first of all we have to create a react app. So with react app, so search with react, it will go to the website. And here in the website you can see that npm create with @let's. When you paste your this command in your terminal, oh, so in the terminal we will see that here you have to paste. So like npm whatever it is, so npm create with @latest, and I create a press enter. So it will create a folder. It will ask some question while creating, like the what are the things you want to use, like your name of the app, you are using react, next.js, or any other framework or libraries, and you want to use tailwind css, do you want to use javascript or typescript. So you can just select it, like I'm creating with create app the latest, right? Then the name of the project, right? Then we can select react, right? Then you can select typescript and press enter, right? It will create a folder, right? I'm not going to create a folder right now, so we will not create here, but I have created already, so don't worry. So I close this terminal as of now. So this how we can create our react app. And to run this react app, so you can use npm run dev. So when you run npm run dev, so it will run your application npm run dev. So it is a very simple basic thing you should know, right? So this is our package.json. Now come to the main part, app app app.tsx. Here we have to control our whole project. So, and if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us and like our video. So it's helped me a lot to grow and make more projects like this. So keep support, and let's see our app.tsx. So here in app.tsx we have imported use effect from react. Over on it, it will go to the react dev reference user effect, and you can see that let to the synchronize complete with the external system. That is good, but here we have a setup and dependency. So one dependency array here we are going to use, and the setup means what we want to do, right? So for that, like fetching data, This is the most common using of use effect in React, like fetching data, right, controlling and handling the side effect, and React life cycle methods using use effect. And now we have imported our browser router as a router from React router. So what router does, when you click on this home button, it go to the home page. When you click on the about page button, it will go to the about page, right? You can see that. So how it's going, who is telling to go, like routing is doing all these things. Then we have imported AOS from the animation on a scroll library. We have to use animation, right? So you can go to the their website AOS. This is the, and you can see that how it's work. So it is very easy to implement the animation using AOS. And how to install, you can see that we have, and you can see that how to initialize, and they have a GitHub also. So you can go to the GitHub, and in the GitHub it will show all the things how we can, like a delay, duration, aging, once, mirror, offset, whatever the things you want to use. Like in this AOS initialization, maybe duration once is true, it will be once, and it will be aging like ease out cubic, right? So this is the initialization part of our AOS. And this is the AOS dist aos.css. What is this? This is the CSS file of AOS library. If you will not use, your animation not work, it will not work. I will show you where it is. AOS dist aos.css. You will not see here, right? It will be in node modules. Node modules, go to node modules. Where is AOS? Here you can see the in node modules we have AOS. AOS we have a dist. You can see that the path. Dist, in dist you have aos.css. You can see that this is the CSS file. This is the CSS file we are going to use and make the animation of our element in our project. And then we have imported the sidebar. So you can see that the sidebar on our project, right? So this is the sidebar we are going to use. And another thing, we have routes. So you can see that the routes of our application, like when you click on anything, it will go to that route, like home page slash about page. So this is the route we have mentioned. I will explain this also in the next video. So I am going to show you only this app.tsx and sidebar, and remaining code I will explain in the next upcoming videos, right? So here in the function component app, we have imported the this use effect, and use effect we have used here. Where in this we have initialize our AOS. So it, when you click on this, it go to the that website, right? And you can see that it is animating whenever user click. So that's why we have used use effect. So now in the return we have a router. In this router, why you use router on the top? Because you have to control all the routing of your application. So always use router on the top, because we want routing for the whole application, right? And in this we have a div. In this div we have a minimum height, screen, background, flex and all. Then why you use flex? Because first of all we want to show the sidebar, and then we want to use in the main class app routes. So what are the app routes? This is a home route, about, skill. So this component we will use here. Now come for the sidebar. First of all, here we have a sidebar. Let's go to the sidebar, and the sidebar we are going to see now. So in sidebar we use state to maintain the state, and this is a maintaining the local variable. And here we have a nav link for the React router DOM. So we are not going to use link, we are going to use nav link, because it provide props, right? It provide props. So go to the nav link. So here you can see that when you search, it will come, and here you can see that using additional prompt for styling active and pending state. It has two states like active and pending. We are going to use this state and very useful to create your application very easily with the less amount of code, and it is very maintainable and easy to understand. Here are the all the icons we are going to use in our sidebar like menu, X and home, user, code, briefcase, mail, GitHub, LinkedIn, Twitter icon. All these things icon we are going to use. Now we want to use profile pic also in the sidebar. We have a profile pic also, right? Then we are defining a array of objects, and in this we have a path, and in the slash path I want to show the home icon and label will be home. So this is the home icon. In the home icon we have a label home. Then here the about icon. In the about I have an icon and the home and the path is above. So these things I have defined here, right? So it will on this path it will show this label like project, text and the icon, right? We have defined, and now we will use one by one, so it make our code with the less amount of code, right? Otherwise it will take more efficiency, right? It will take more time, more complexity of the code. So we are going to use this nav item, and once we have created we can map over all this each item, right? And one by one, and we can show in our interface. So now we have a sidebar, this functional component. In this we are going to use state. So track is open or not, like we have currently it is not open our menu icon. So to track this it is open or not, so you can see that to track this we are going to use this state. Then in state we are returning some JSX like button. First of all we have a button, and we have a pass a function set click, and for toggling we use this exclamation mark and like, and is open means toggling the state name is open, and this is the function set open, and this set open toggle this state right on the click of the button. And in this button, if it is open show the X side, it is not open it will show the menu side. This is open it will show the X side, and it is not open it will show the menu icon, right? This is the thing we have used ternary operator. Then in the aside tag, so in the aside, so this is the aside part of our application. So how it will show? So first of all make it fully, and in this we have fixed the insert y0, then we have a left 0 z index, and the so z index so that it will come over this element, right? So when you click on this it coming over this about page, right? Not behind the about page. So for that we use z index, then background, border from the right, transition, what is the duration. If it is open then translation x0 means it will come to the x axis, and if it is not open it will minus translation x full means full, it will close means it will go back, right? On the left hand side you can see that it is going to the left side. So minus translation x full. If you will remove the minus, so you can see that it is going in the wrong direction, but we want to close in the back side, right? We don't want to show when user click on cross icon. So this is the thing we have used. And then we have a div. In this div we have a flex column and height and all this thing, padding and text center. In this we want to show a profile pic and the heading and padding like Vikas Kumar and front end developer. So this is the thing like image and the this text and heading. Then what after that we want to show links and the social media icons. So first of all link is in column wise, so flex, right? Flex my 1 and the padding will be this 4, and then we have to map on this nav item that we have created, and we will take this value one by one using map. First of all we will take path, then we will take icon and then label. So we have make the icon name to the icon. So this is the type, and this parameter we are going to use like in nav link. This is coming from our react router DOM, and then key is the, whenever you use map always use a key, and we have a unique key like path. Each each item has a unique path, right? Home has a unique path, slash about has a slash about. So key should be unique. So key means it's update our virtual DOM, right, with the unique key. So always use key with the map item. So here we have a this two path, means which path we want to go, like slash path, about path, or home path. So any path. So this path is coming from this label path icon label will we are getting from this, and then this is the active. So this is the extra thing like props. This is the extra thing we are going to use nav links, not link. Nav link is more powerful than link, and here we have a two state active and pending, but we are going to use active because we want to. So if it is active it is so blue, this blue color, right? So if it is active blue color pair, and it will be bg blue and text blue, and this is that. If it is not active it will show this style like hover, bg gray, and the text gray, right? And in this, first of all we want to show the icon. So first it show the icon, then it's showing the label. So home icon, like home, if it is home icon it will show the icon and the size and the class name, like margin from the right is 3. Then the label is this home, about. This label we have used here, right? In the label home, about, skill. So map object is very useful in the react, so must know this. And here closing of nav link. Then after that we have another div for this social media icon in the below. So for that we have a div. In this div we have some styling, right? And we have a this github link like anchor tag we have used here. So we don't want any DOM, react router DOM, like we want just anchor tag to our. You can use anchor tag to go your social profile. And here you can see target blank, means it will open a new tab, and this class name how we want to style. So similarly for the this link for the LinkedIn, and this, and we have used icon also, this GitHub icon and the size with this, and we have to wrap it in an anchor tag. Then this, in this anchor tag we have a LinkedIn and Twitter. So whenever user will click, it will go to the this link and it will open in a new tab. So when we click on this, it will open in a new tab, right? And it will go to that link. And please follow me on the GitHub. So now we have seen how our sidebar and app component is working. So in the next part we will see page. We are not using hook, so I'll delete this file, right? So here we are going to use pages, right? About page, how our about page will look, how contact page will work whenever send any message, how we are getting the email, right? How we are going to show your about project and skill section, all these pages, right? 1 2 3 4 5 pages we have made. So pages we will see in the next video of this is the first part, and I will show you in the next video. So you can get the free source code of this project on our GitHub. You can go and check it out, and please give a star on my GitHub also project else. And I will show you the explanation of the remaining pages. So hope you guys like our video. and subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching. We will meet in next video with a new amazing project.